Well, for you dog lovers out there this morning, Ford has created a unique kennel designed to help your pups deal with loud noises like fireworks. The car company says a built-in audio system can emit opposing frequencies, helping to keep the area quiet. Now, this idea was inspired by noise-canceling technology that Ford uses in its Edge SUV. The company has not said when it will hit the market, though. Okay, I think good news for our pups.
Yeah.
Well, I'll take that.
He's in there clearing his throat, and I'm in here clearing my throat. Like, where is he?
Your mic's on. So
Oh,
don't
is it?
cuss.
But you're not
I'm getting
here.
Everyone, sorry, I'm letting everyone hear that.
It's fine. We'll just stay in there.
At least he
We don't
wasn't in
need
the
you.
bathroom.
Oh, I'm supposed to be on.
Could have been worse.
No,
Oh!
not anymore. We gotta
I
go.
thought he was the one who was like supposed to be new at this whole,
Don't you point at me.
back at work.
Let me
thing.
come over here.
All right.
Thanks. All right, now coming up on CB.